Always refer to your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures.
And always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment.
Hey, I'm Jack Maroney.
And I'm Nick Johnson.
Welcome back to CAT Component Moment, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks to help improve the performance and the...
Hey, wait a minute. We're not doing tips and tricks today.
Oh. Hey, why don't you come into Foley Equipment with us and look at something cool today instead?
We got an inside look at Foley's new rebuild center for you guys.
Exclusive you only get here at CAT Component Moment. So here we are at Foley Equipment today, and we actually get to talk to you and show you something that you're never going to see anywhere else, really. This is an exclusive behind-the-scene look at Foley's brand new rebuild center. We've got Scott Tolley here with Foley Equipment. He's going to tell us all about it.
Thank you, Jack. Welcome to the new Foley Machine Rebuild Center. We bought this facility right out about a year ago with the intent to grow our capacity for doing machine rebuilds, for giving Caterpillar machines second and third lives. And at the end of the day, we want to be there to support our customers. Doesn't matter if it's a customer with one machine with one skid steer or a customer with 1,000. Caterpillar and Caterpillar machines are here to support you for the full life cycle of your ownership.
Basically, you guys are just catering to their needs every time, one-off basis every time.
You know, it really goes back into giving our customers, you know, a full gauntlet from a new machine, used machine, rental fleet tractor, full machine rebuild, all the way down to a minor repair to whatever fits the customer's needs, their time frame, what, you know, really basing what does the customer need it for.
Right. Most customers need it to do work, right? Yeah. So you're here to make sure that they can do that work as quickly as possible, get them back up and running right, and as efficiently and effectively as possible when it comes to, you know, the cost of that repair. So Scott, we really promised the viewers of Component Moment today something special, an exclusive look. What are we looking at here, Scott?
So yeah, this is a pretty special tractor to us here at Foley Equipment. The frame has about 47,000 frame hours on it, so it's had 2 complete rebuilds. One of the things that is a testament of a Caterpillar engine, and specifically the old 3406, this is the original block in this tractor. It is
47,000 hours and it's still got the original
correct
block in it. You guys rebuilt it, but
correct.
Wow. Again, Jack, repair before failure.
There's a lot of customers that never get their first life cycle, or definitely the second life cycle. Again, they haven't come talk to you. They don't understand the value of that. You have a customer here that's on their 3rd rebuild, the same machine, right? So they obviously understand the value that Foley can give them, Caterpillar repair options with their machine and engine.
It would not happen without a proper maintenance program. Good quality lubricants, Caterpillar filters, a robust oil sampling program. You would not get there if you didn't do all those things right. This particular engine started with a problem with the cylinder head. The customer maybe had a little bit of lack of maintenance, you might say, in a nice way.
It happens, it happens.
And so yeah, we're repairing this thing, getting it back up to snuff. Like I say, the nice thing is we have a whole variety of options, repair options for customers with D6s.
Scott, talk to us a little bit about the core value that's still here.
You want to be able to have something rebuildable. And really the key is repair indicators, things like SOS, oil sampling, oil consumption, excessive smoke, more, you know, it's using more fuel, less fuel. Those things that we talk about as repair options really are important.
So get your engine in, and then we can give you all the value, every bit of value that engine has left, we can give it back to the customer on the second life.
The beauty of the CAT Certified Power Trade program is really that plus. We have the ability to make the machine match what the customer specifications are, but keep it in the guidelines of the certified program.
So built to the customer requirements using Caterpillar standards.
Correct.
I love it, Scott.
Correct.
There is competition out there for rebuilds. I think we all know that, but at the end of the day, if you want to get the latest and greatest, even if it's just in the engine or the components on the machine, you got to come to the CAT dealer.
That is spot on. The upgrades, enhancements, and the mandatory updates.
Big things I think we saw today was, you know, repair options.
A lot of those.
Tons of repair options, all the way from that minor repair,
right,
all the way through a full machinery build. And then the other one that really
the repair before failure, right? So
there is no rebuild unless we take care of that machine before failure.
Maintain it, repair it before failure, get it to the end of its life.
Yep.
Use your CAT dealer to help you do that, and then we can rebuild it for you and give you a second life out of it.
What a good trip.
I love it. Thanks again for watching us here on Component Moment.
We'll see you again next time.